So next, what we're going to do is we're going to explore how we can add things like captions, alternative text, and links to images. Now, before we get onto that, what I would like you to do, I'm just going to delete this image here, is I want you to add some placeholders onto your site. So you can see this card here, I have a placeholder of text. So it's somewhere where I can type text. So I can just type some gibberish in there, or I can just, create a new one and next to this image place another placeholder. And what that is it just kind of reserves that spot for me to include some text down the track when I have more of my text created and ready and branched out. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some new images to our site, and we're going to add links to our images. So looking back at the folder that I've shared with you, inside the folder, you'll see a copy of a Google Doc. And this particular Google Doc, when I open it, you can have a quick look through, has the information that you will need to attach to your images or as captions, or essentially the instructions for the tasks that I want you to complete. So this first section talks about the images and gives the Creative Commons links to the images. This next section talks about the specific links that I want you to add onto images. The next section talks about the alternative text that I want you to add onto an image, and you can see I've given you a picture of the image and what text to add. Then we're going to do some videos, embed some videos, and then the last thing is I'm going to teach you how to do some image remixing for your site. So look at this Google Doc as essentially your instructions and the information that you need in terms of links. So going back to my site, we're going to start by adding some new images and adding links to those images. So looking at my document here, the first image I need is this one here. It's called polarbearjump.jpg. So back in my site, I'm going to click on the white space because that's where I want to work. I'm going to go to images. Now, I can either upload it from my computer, or if I use the Google Drive option, click on Drive, and then within My Drive, find that folder. So within My Drive, find the right folder. And again, if it's not there, it will be something that you would have downloaded. So there it is there. And you can see the images here, polar bear jump, that's the one. So insert like that. The other way to insert is image, upload. It should take me into my downloads and I can look through. I've got quite a few, but there it is there, polar bear jump. So they're the two ways that I can add that image to my site. Once I've got it there, I want to add a link to this image so that when my user clicks on the image, it will take them off to another place on the internet. So it could be a website or a video or some sounds or something like that. So again, clicking back in this document, the link is there. So it says polar bear jump, and this is the link. So I'm just going to highlight Control C, or if I tap on it, I can use this copy link feature there. And then back in my website, click on the image, pick this little paper clip that says insert link, and then Control V or Command V if you're on a Mac to paste that link there, apply. So now you can see at the bottom of this image, I have a link so that my user can click on this image and go to this website and watch a video. So that's how we add the images to the site. So that's how we add the links to our images. So I've got another one in my instruction sheet. Again, this one's called Polar Bear 3, the image that I'm working with. So having a look here, Polar Bear 3, and this time I'm linking to a web address. So I'm going to go back into my website. I'm going to upload or insert my image from Google Drive. So it was called Polar Bear 3. And I may not have this one downloaded, so let's add it from my Google Drive. So there it is there. I'm going to insert it. And again, back into my document, pick up the link, back to the site, paperclip, paste, apply. Have a go and see if you can add those two images to your website and attach those two links to those images.